Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Red Roof in Roanoke Rapids. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located right off Interstate 95, this hotel 5 minutes a drive from the Central Roanoke Rapids. Features include laundry facilities. The Lakeland Theater at Littleton is 20 minutes a drive away. Cable TV and a telephone are provided in the simply decorated rooms at the Red Roof in Roanoke Rapids. Rooms are also equipped with air conditioning and a private bathroom. A 24-hour reception is available to the guests of the Red Roof in Roanoke Rapids. Coffee is offered 24/7. The Halifax Historical Area is 15 minutes a drive from the hotel. Lake Gaston Resort is 20 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.